Here we have what I'm going to call a Quarter Midget Racer that I'm trying to find some information on. The gentleman I bought it from said he had it built, and I believe that the frame may be homemade, but there are components on it that I think were off-the-shelf items. For example, the front bumper, seen here of course, with the W in it, or the M if I have it upside down, is chromed. I thought that was probably an off-the-shelf item. The fiberglass body, the nose, the belly pan, and the tail cone, I assume were purchased off the shelf. The steering wheel, the rack and pinion steering system, and the cast aluminum pedals, I believe, were also off-the-shelf items. Now, it has a set of rims on it. I'm not sure if they're splined to the wheels. Oh, there's the axle. Looks like there's a set screw holding this one on. There's no differential. There's just a sprocket in the back there. And when I purchased this wheel, it had a Villiers 9E, the same as what would have been used in a Penguin Amphibious ATV installed in it. It wasn't running, so I removed the engine to do some work on it. Now the front suspension has radius rods, and there's a bit of cushioning here, and it pivots in the middle. There is a little bit of front suspension there. Now there's a second set of pedals in this, second throttle and brake pedal, which look to me to be basic go-kart items. And the drum brake is on this side. There's a aluminum scoop on this side, and another one on this side that I assume were off-the-shelf items. So there is body back on here. I would call it Quarter Midget Racer. I think it may be from the mid to late 60s. The engine that was in it, I know, was purchased at an auction in 1965. Anyway, if anybody can shed some information on where some of the parts for this machine came from, I would be more than grateful.